Hey YouTube, happy Thanksgiving to all you Canadians out there. It's Thanksgiving and I bought this box of Elite and I already broke most of it. Here's all the base and here are the inserts. I had an Elite series of Ovechkin, rookie stars of Sean Couturier, Joe Sakic Elite series, Carey Price stars. These rookies are numbered out of 999. I had Maxime Masonauer and Drew Bagnall. That is 76 out of 999. And then I had these die cuts of Eric Stahl, TJ Oshie, David Clarkson, Duncan Keith, Johan Franzen, and Brian Campbell, gold version. That's numbered 38 out of 99. Now, onto the good stuff. My 4 hits are here, 2 autographs, 2 jersey cards. I haven't even looked at them. I just know they're in there. So I thought I'd save it for YouTube, post it, and share it with you guys. I know what's in here though. This box was awesome because you'll see. So first, base card Dan Briere, Valtteri Filppula, and I had a rookie card 27 out of 99 of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. So all in all, good box already, right? Alexander Steen, Ryan Sutter. Okay, now let's get the hits. Jordan Eberle, Daniel Sedin, Sean Horkoff, and we have, it's a Nashville guy. Is it Colin Wilson? No, Jonathan Blum. Interesting. New breed jersey. Not bad. Cool. There's the back, if you want to read it. Saku Koivu, Miguel Grabowski. Alrighty, this one is a super thick one. I don't know who it is. I just saw it in there. Now let's do an autograph before that. I think I saw who this was. Jaromir Jagr, Brian Campbell. Oh no, this is the redemption one. Okay, let's save the redemption. This is getting retarded. Okay. I think this is the rookie. Yeah, Marcus Kruger, that's what I thought. Rookie autograph. Cool. Scroll, look at that. Marcus Kruger, rookie. There's the back. Michael Neuber, James Neal. Okay, redemption or this? Let's do this. Dustin Brown, Wayne Simmons, Ray Whitney. Coming from the back, John Michael Lyles, Cam Ward, and we have, it's out of 25, 10 out of 25. Is that, what's that guy's name? Adam Henrique? It is Adam Henrique. And I believe, what is it? Oh, patch card, no way. Not too shabby. That's pretty stellar, actually. This is a stellar box. I'd say it's better than Artifacts. And I still got a redemption card. Blah 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 blah. And it is of, I don't know if you're gonna be able to read it. It says Hockey, Donruss Elite, Elite Signings, card number 51. Matt Zuccarello. Not a good player, in my opinion. Alrighty, well, that's my box of Elite, and thanks for joining me. Hope you have a good day. Bye.